Hello, amazing viewers. I hope you all are doing good. So, welcome back to my channel that is Technical Freak, where today we are diving into the digital decluttering universe. I know we all love the speed and efficiency of our Windows 11 and 10 system, but let's face it, they could use a little spring cleaning, right? In this video, I have got the ultimate guide on how to effortlessly clear out all those caches and junk files, leaving your PC running smoother than ever. So stick around and let's declutter together. It's time to unleash the full potential of your Windows experience. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, guys, after cleaning all the junk files and caches, your computer or your Windows will perform way better than earlier. So, for that, you have to press Windows plus R. So, you have got this pop up, and you have to write prefetch on it and press OK. So this windows will pop up on your screen. If you have it will find if you find permission for that, so you have to give them permission to open this window, right? So you have to select any file from here, and then you will press Control A to select all the files from here, and um, press Shift Delete. So why deleting all the files? Because these are junk files, so we have to delete them permanently, right? So press yes. So okay, so some of the file will not delete because they are using some system. So cancel here. Okay, again, uh, press Window plus R. Now this time you have to write temp here, temp, and hit OK. It will open a new window, and again select any of the file from here, and again Control A for selecting all the files. Okay, and again Shift D delete for deleting all the files from here. Okay, some of the file I will not delete because again they are using some software. By software, again you will have to press Windows R. Now this time you have to write Shift percentage temp percentage, right? And now you have to hit OK. Again you have to select any of the file and Control A, Shift delete, and hit yes. So I have a lot of junk files here, so it will take a little bit time for deleting these junk files. So until these are deleting, so if you are not subscribed my channel, so I am requesting you that please subscribe my channel and hit the like icon uh, to appreciate me, and give me suggestion on the comment box that what next video on what topic you have to you have want. So after deleting all the junk files, we have left some files here. these will not be deleted because they are using some software, so we have to cancel it from here. Now the last part of this video is you have to again um, press Windows plus R, and now you have to uh, type here clean, CLEAN, clean MGR. I repeat, you have to type here clean MGR and hit the OK button. Now you have to select C drive. It is selected by default, so we have to press OK. Now this window has been pop up. Now you have to select all all the make sure you have to check all the um, files here and select OK. Now you have to delete all the files, and it has started cleaning your C drive, including all the files we have a tick there. So we have to wait a little bit over there, and now we have done it. So now our system, Windows, it's all good to go. Now it's running well because we have deleted all the junk files and all the caches over here.